Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. For today's video, I had this idea of doing a 10 minutes protective style or styling my hair challenge because I was really about to head out and I had to hurry. So I was like, why not make this like a little 10 minutes challenge to see if I can get myself ready in 10 minutes. So as you can see here, I have already sprayed my hair with water. And this is my hair after doing the wash and go stuff from my last video. I'll put that in the eye. So I'm just spraying my hair. I look to see how I wanted to style my hair. And then I'm just parting the side because I'm going to do a side puff, if that makes sense. So I'm just sectioning off the side of my hair. And then I'm going to be spraying and finger detangling the other side of my hair and applying gel. Here I'm just giving myself a bit of a section in the back to work with, to add my water, to finger detangle, and to add my gel. I didn't add too much gel because I did have gel in my hair from the wash and go style. So I just add a little bit more just to revive the curls that was already there. Oh, and by the way, guys, this is me working on my hair in real time. I did not edit or time-lapse this video. So this is me when I'm working on my hair. Now that I'm complete with the other section, I'm gonna start working on this section. So I'm gonna be spraying it and finger detangling it just a bit, and I'm gonna add just a little bit of gel, not too much, and then I'm going to be adding my gel, my edge controller gel, and I'm gonna be brushing that over into the other section. So while I'm fluffing out my hair and I'm trying to fit it into place to see how it would look, I decided to take out a little bit of hair on that side to leave out, just to have a little curling section going on. And then I'm gonna be bringing everything over and brushing it and applying my edge control and brushing that up into the puff to create my side puff. Now I'm just trying to brush everything into place, and I did use a hair comb just to have it sit in place. Now if you don't have any hair comb or style comb, you can also use hair pins to secure it in place. Now that we've secured the hair in place, finally, it's time to do our baby hairs. So I'm just brushing out a bit from the side swoop, and I'm going to make that be my swoop to do my baby hair. Then I'm gonna add just a little bit of gel to that section and twirl it, just to get that curl going on there. And I'm complete. Let me know what you guys think. This was a great video, a challenging video. I was trying so hard to rush it in to make sure that I'm in time. But let me know what you guys think. If you like it, I think it looked really good. Let me know what you guys think as well. And once again, thank you guys so much for staying tuned for my videos. If you like more videos like this, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.